Hey there, fellow explorers of creativity. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of generating creative content with prompts. Get ready to unleash your imagination and dive into the magic of storytelling and innovation. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our creative community. Welcome to our journey of crafting imaginative content. With prompts, we're about to embark on a thrilling adventure where our creativity knows no bounds. Just like planting seeds in a garden, prompts ignite the fire of imagination within us, leading to extraordinary discoveries. Imagine being given a clue that sparks 1,000 ideas. That's the power of prompts. For instance, think of the prompt "Write a story about a mysterious old house on a hill." It sets the stage for a captivating tale, guiding our imagination in exciting directions. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the horizon? Curiosity-driven prompts invite us to explore uncharted territories. Take the prompt "Imagine a world where humans can communicate with animals." It's like opening a door to a realm of endless possibilities. Sometimes, there's more than one way to solve a puzzle. Prompts encourage us to think outside the box and explore diverse perspectives. Consider the prompt "Describe a day in the life of a robot living in a futuristic city." It prompts us to envision a world beyond our wildest dreams. Words have the power to move hearts and souls. Emotional prompts touch our deepest emotions and connect us on a profound level. Think about the prompt "Write a letter to your future self," reflecting on your dreams and aspirations. It's like talking to your innermost thoughts and feelings. Life is full of challenges, but prompts equip us with the tools to tackle them head-on. They encourage us to brainstorm solutions and think critically. Imagine the prompt "Design a sustainable city of the future," considering environmental impact. It's like being an architect of change, shaping a better world. In a world of conformity, prompts celebrate our uniqueness. They encourage us to embrace our individuality and express ourselves authentically. Take the prompt "Create a piece of artwork inspired by your favorite childhood memory." It's like painting a canvas with memories that are uniquely ours. Two heads are better than one, they say. Collaborative prompts bring people together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Picture the prompt "Collaborate with a friend to write a short story set in a post-apocalyptic world." It's like co-authoring an epic saga of survival and resilience. With prompts as our guide, we're free to explore the vast expanse of our imagination. They challenge us to dream big and reach for the stars. Imagine the prompt "Imagine a society where time travel is a common occurrence." It's like stepping into a time machine and exploring worlds unknown. As we reach the end of our journey, remember this: prompts are the keys to unlocking the doors of creativity. They invite us to embark on adventures, weave stories, and shape worlds of our own making. So, let's continue to explore, create, and inspire one another. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on future adventures. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of creativity and imagination. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, the world is waiting for your unique voice to be heard. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep exploring.